Hi everyone, tonight we're going to practice our expanded algorithm of subtraction. You should have a piece of paper with you, or if you're lucky enough to be at school or have your own, you should have your place value blocks in front of you so that you can build the number along with me. If you remember from class today, we talked about how this is just a strategy. It's just an easier way for you to solve problems that might give you a hard time. This lets you take a really hard subtraction problem and turn it into a couple simpler problems to help you subtract. Let's get started. My problem for tonight is going to be 323. I'm going to take away 142. Think back to this afternoon. Place value is super important. If I take away the wrong values from the wrong place value, my problem can get all messed up and I'm going to get the wrong difference. So we have to be really careful that we're taking away the right amount from the right place. In expanded algorithm, I start in the hundreds place value. So for my number, as you can see, I have 3 hundreds. I'm taking away 100, which is the 1 in 142. Let me go and do that. Perfect. Now, I'm going to move over to my tens place value. I have 2 tens, as you can see on my mat, but my problem tells me that I have to take away 4 tens. That's the 4 in 142. I can't do that, so that means I have to regroup. In order to regroup, I have to break apart another value that can help me out, which means I have to go next door to my hundreds place value, right here, this guy. I'm going to break him apart because when he's broken apart, he turns into tens. It's perfect. That's what I need. Inside of 100 is 10 tens. I'm not taking away the value of the 100. I'm just turning it into something different. In this case, I'm turning the 100 into 10 tens. It's the same thing, just looks a little different. Let me show you what I mean. I have 100. Now I have 10 tens. Both have the same value, but they look a little different. Back to my problem. Now I have plenty of tens to take away my 4. Let me go and do that. Great. Now I'm going to move over to my ones place. I have 3 ones. My problem tells me I have to take away 2. That's the 2 in 142. I can do that. I don't need to regroup. So this is easy peasy. Let me go and do it. Great. At this point, I'm finished. I have no more place values. I have no more regrouping. All I can do now is solve the problem. And I have to figure out what the difference is between 323 and 142. To do that, I count up the remaining blocks and I have to put their values in the correct place value in the difference or the answer. So I'm going to start with the hundreds. On my mat, I see that I have 100, which means the value here is going to be 1. Now I'm going to move to my tens. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens left, which means the digit going there is going to be 8. And finally, I have 1 left, which means the digit going in that place value is going to be 1. That means the difference between 323 and 142 equals 181. I hope this helped you. Feel free to play back the video if you're having trouble with your homework, or you just need a quick review, or you really just want to show your parents what we learned today in class and really impress them by how smart and awesome you are at math. If you need any help, please feel free to email me and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great night, guys.